Advance Modiy Grid Line in Revit. After we open the Revit template, then we start draw some grid line. Okay, after we draw our grid line ready. The first easy modification is about customize the line of the grid. By select on a grid line at Properties panel, click on Edit Type. I recommend to duplicate current grid line and rename it to 4 millimeters bubble. At center segment, we change it to custom. Now we able to custom center and segment pattern for me. I change from grid line to center pattern for both. For end segment length minimum for millimeters, then click OK. OK, now one grid line is done. So we can apply it to all other grid line by select all, then change it properties to make it the same. We can change the center of grid line already, but I still not satisfied with default line pattern size when compared to the wall. So we also can custom line pattern as well. To customize line pattern, we go to Manage, Additional Setting, Line Patterns. At first, I would like check the existing size of center pattern first, then I can create new one with smaller size. I rename it to center 6 millimeters. Then I input all data the same except value, make it smaller than the original. Select on grid line, then Edit Type. Then change center and segment pattern to center 6 millimeters that we just created. OK, done. Now I satisfied with this modification. The next step is about modification this bubble head circle. We have looking inside project browser, then find for families. Annotation symbol, then find grid head cycle. Then right-click, Edit. At first, we have to save as this file. First, to make sure we not lose the original one, and also keep it at a safe place, that we may reuse it later. Then we can adjust this circle to 4 millimeters. Now we adjust the text size from 4.5 millimeters to 2.5 millimeters by duplicate the original, then change it into 2.5 millimeters, and then find the text size. We also change it to 2.5 millimeters as well. You may change font style if you want. Try to draw lines around the cycle with 2 millimeters. Then we just save it, then load it to our project. Nothing changed yet. So we need select on the grid line, then edit type, then change mgrid head circle to our new mgrid head circle for millimeters. Done. Now you can advance modification grid line in Revit if you found this video is useful. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks you.